Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add an image in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your image. I already removed this background. Create a layer mask. Select gradient tool, drop down menu, select transparent, double click, single, again double click, black color, click OK. Then use horizontal or vertical. OK, and you remove fat brush tool, add white color, then drag. So this is remove. Create a background, create background color, example white color. That's it. Or again change the background color blue. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.